In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install SimplyWise receipt scanner in your phone. The first step that I want you to do is to confirm if the application is available in your app store. So if it's not, you have to go into your Chrome and then access apk20.com. As you can see inside their site, there is a search bar in the top right corner of the screen. So simply type in the name of SimplyWise and then click the search button here. Then click the first result. As you can see, this is the application that we have to download and install into our device. Click this download APK button and wait for the pop-up to show that our download has started. Now, after finishing the download, you have to click or head into your file manager. Then click this application. After installing the application, we can now open the SimplyWise receipt scanner. And as you can see, this is the application. Just click the next button. And here you can now set up your SimplyWise account. And that's how you can download and install your SimplyWise into your device. And thank you for listening.